Namaskar. I am Glory Swarupa, Director General, National Institute for Micro Small Medium Enterprises, Hyderabad, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. I am very happy to share that today we are organizing a job mela for the educated unemployed youth and also for the participants who have been trained by NIMSME in various entrepreneurship and skill development programs under the scheme of assistance to training institutions supported by Ministry of MSME, Government of India. We have been conducting this skill development programs more than a decade. Since 2009-10 we have been conducting these programs, and after the training, so we are supposed to place the students, or we encourage them to take up small micro enterprise activity either in manufacturing sector or is in service sector or in trading. So we keep conducting various activities like hand holding, the mentoring, the follow-up activities, and job mela and loan mela. For almost 8 years we have been conducting this job mela every year once we complete the skill development programs for the benefit of the students. And we are very glad to share that the industry in the Hyderabad is very positive and very cooperative. When we give a call, they always come with lot of preparation from their side. They always extend a lot of help with their HR team, and there are some BPO organizations also. They also take a lot of interest, and we are very much thankful to press and media, print and electronic, and of course through social media also we promote, but our press is very cooperative and they disseminate the information to the concerned stakeholders in our society. Like all the colleges and our own participants. That's how we get always overwhelming response. And today more than 2000 students are here in search of jobs. We all are aware that the pandemic has created lot of crisis and a lot of disruptions were there. And this 2021 we are slowly opening up for all the activities, and as the call given by our Honorable Prime Minister and respective Chief Ministers to open up the educational institutions, now higher classes are functioning, and plus 2 colleges plus universities, they are open. So that's why we also thought, in line with our education department and call given by our people representatives, we also thought so we'll conduct this event for the benefit of all our students. And 1920 we have completed training for more than 3000 students, but immediately it was a lockdown, so they could not do anything. Neither they could continue their higher education, nor take up enterprising activity, nor go for a placement. That's why once it is open, so we have organized this event, and today there is very good response, and the students, they are very much in need of these kind of opportunities. And the industry, especially from IT and IT enabled services, banking and financing sector, marketing and BPO institutes, logistics, supply chain and logistics in healthcare and pharma industry, that is one of the potential sector today after COVID. And many companies like Apollo, then Vijaya Diagnostics, and Life Circle Health Services, and in IT and IT services, U2Me, then Vertus, Tube Consulting, Ojas Technologies, and Teamlease Technologies. Likewise, several organizations, and in banking, SBI cards, and Axis Bank, then Buzzword, even TVS Credit Services. So all these organizations actually they came and they have extended a lot of support, and they are conducting the interviews. Actually we have made lot of preparation for this. So since 15 days we have started disseminating the information to all the needed students and our own participants, and we have promoted the information through social media, and they are all responded positively. We have made good arrangements because we have very good campus of 25 acres. We have taken the help of local police department also, and we have made all the good arrangements for their help desk, for their registration, and for the recruiters. I think these recruiters, they are very keen on good talented hands, the skilled hands. That's why they are going to conduct 2-3 rounds of evaluation and screening. The students are encouraged to upload their curriculum, resume, and register themselves on online through the QR code. That's how most of the students, more than 50% of the students, they have uploaded through online, and we are collecting offline registrations also, and each recruiter, they are taking their resume and they are checking for all their credentials like their Aadhaar card, their mark sheets, and other related experience certificates they are collecting, and they are interviewing them, and they are going to shortlist. After shortlisting, they will call the students again for second level of screening. Some sectors maybe the written test, and some sectors the group discussions. That's how the screening goes on, and I am very hopeful that a majority of the students will get a good job placement, because the students, they have lot of skills, and during our training program we have imparted very good hands-on experience to them, and we also taught them the entrepreneurial skills and personality development content. That's how students are smart enough to face the interview, and they have very good presentation skills. We have given some orientation also. So I hope the students will present themselves, and they raise to the expectations of the recruiters, and recruiters also, I am hopeful they find the suitable candidates for what the positions they are seeking for. And on the whole, in general, it is going to help our society, and it will help our society to increase our job index and to reduce the joblessness in the society. And as a national institution, we are very happy to conduct this event and to fulfill the mandate of reaching the unreached through entrepreneurial and skill development activities. And thanks to the ministry, our secretary, our joint secretary and SME division, and all the department officials in the NIMSME, all the staff who is coordinating and put lot of efforts, entire team who is dedicated, who is made responsible for this activity, and press and social media and local authorities, other authorities who is helping us. And moreover, thanks to all the students raising to this occasion, coming to NIMSME and participating, presenting themselves, whether they get selected or not, but it will be an experience. If they are selected, it is very good achievement. If they are not selected, it is an experience. Based on this, they can, next time, they can always approach the recruiters, and they can come to NIMSME and they can get equipped. And I am also very glad to share that on 10th of February, we are organizing the Loan Mela. During Loan Mela, we are inviting the bankers. Almost 10 bankers are participating, and we are conducting series of workshops for the startups and for aspirant entrepreneurs for preparation of a draft bankable project report. When they come with the report with their business idea and business plan, so banks will be definitely happy to extend their financial assistance to start enterprising activity. That's how we can reduce the joblessness, and we can bring out more entrepreneurs and create more job opportunities for the unemployed youth and women. We are very happy as a national institution serving the MSMEs and serving the nation and serving the society. Thank you very much. Thank you all.